Today we're going to teach you how to name and draw alcohols, carboxylic acids, and esters. We're going to start with alcohols. Alcohols are organic compounds that have one or more hydroxyl groups. To make any organic compound into an alcohol, you simply attach a hydroxyl group to the last carbon atom, or in other words, an OH. For example, we're going to use butane and make it an alcohol. This is butane. To make this an alcohol, you replace the last H with an OH. Since the structure changed, the name changes. This now becomes butanol, because for all alcohols, you take off the end and add the suffix OL. This is butanol.
Next is carboxylic acids. A carboxylic acid is an organic compound that contains the carboxyl function group. The carboxyl function group is a double bonded O and an OH attached to the last carbon atom. We will start with propane. To make this a carboxylic acid, you replace two of the end H's with a double bonded O and an OH. Since there can only be 4 bonds on a single carbon atom, you need to drop the last H. Now that it is a carboxylic acid, the name changes to propanoic acid because you add the suffix anoic and acid to the end. This is propanoic acid.
Finally, the esters. An ester is an alcohol and a carboxylic acid combined. To show you, we're going to combine the examples we used before. This is butanol and propanoic acid. To combine the two, you must move the carboxyl function group to the first carbon in the acid. You combine the OHs from both organic compounds. When they combine, the H's cancel out, leaving an O to complete the chain. Now that it is an ester, the name changes to butyl propanoate, because you keep the base of the first word butanol and add the suffix YL. Then you change propanoic acid to propanoate by getting rid of the acid and adding the suffix anoate. This is butyl propanoate.